Being a makeup artist in the industry for 10 years now, I can tell you that you don't necessarily need a kit filled with a number of high-end brands. What you need is a pro makeup kit with quality makeup products and tools. You want to stay till the end because I have a free gift just for you that will make building your pro makeup kit stress-free and affordable. Hey guys, welcome to the Adobe Beauty channel. My name is Adobe and I'm a bridal makeup artist, wig maker and beauty educator, and I share tips and tutorials that help makeup artists book more clients and become more confident in their artistry. So if you're a makeup artist looking to elevate your makeup artistry, be sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave me a comment below telling me what topics of makeup artistry you would like me to discuss next. Being a makeup artist in the industry for 10 years now, I understand what makeup essentials every makeup artist needs in a pro makeup kit, especially when you're just starting out as a makeup artist. And I can tell you that you don't necessarily need a kit filled with a number of high-end brands. What you need is a pro makeup kit with quality makeup products and tools that will help you create stunning looks on your clients. So if you're looking to build a quality makeup kit that won't break the bank, then you want to stay till the end because I have a free gift just for you that will make building your pro makeup kit stress-free and affordable. Here are a few things to consider when building or creating your makeup artist kit. The first thing is quality. Please don't skimp on quality, guys. It's really important to choose makeup products and tools that not only help you work effectively, but also help you achieve the results that you're looking for on your clients. Going for makeup products and tools that are bad quality will not just frustrate your makeup process, but in most cases, it will have your makeup application just looking a mess, and we don't want that. Another thing to consider when building your makeup artist kit is multi-function. So as much as you can, it's important to purchase or add to your makeup kit makeup products and tools that serve different purposes, because that's a great way to save you some money when you're just starting out with building your pro makeup kit. Examples of these are brushes that can be used on the eyes, face, and lips, lip colors that can double as blushes. It's really up to you how you can use makeup products and tools in different ways. Another important thing to consider is sanitation. You're going to be using your pro makeup kit on so many different people. So it is your job to not just keep your makeup products and tools clean, but also to keep your clients safe while they are in your chair. So it's important to get products and tools that won't hoard bacteria, disinfecting products, as well as products that are easily cleanable. Now let's get into some tips for your makeup products and makeup tool selection for your pro makeup kit. When it comes to the foundation and concealer shades to pick for your kit, in order to choose the correct shades for your makeup kit, you have to know first who your clients are and what their skin tones are. For example, I primarily work on women of color, and their skin tones range from fair to medium and then to deep tones. So if I were building my makeup kit, those are the shades of foundation and concealer that I'll be leaning more towards getting for my makeup kit. When getting your foundation and concealers, besides the skin tones, it's also important to consider the undertones of the clients you'll be working with. Some clients are warm, some are cool, while others can be neutral. So you've got to have that at the back of your mind when you choose your complexion products, so that you can cater to a wider range of clients. For powders, just like foundation, it's important to know what skin tones you normally work with and buy powder based on those skin tones. When you're first starting out, I recommend that you go for light, medium, and dark skin tones in the spectrum of your client's skin tone. So let me break that down. I, for instance, live in Nigeria, so I typically work on women of color. So if I were just starting out to build my pro makeup kit for my clients, I would focus on picking powders that cater to light, medium, and dark-skinned women of color. And on the other hand, if your typical clients are Caucasian, then you're starting off to build your pro makeup kit. You would also pick powders that cater to light, medium, and dark shades of the Caucasian skin tone. And dark in this instance can be tanned skin. Dark doesn't necessarily mean deep brown skin tone. So you have to figure out what light, medium, and dark means to your typical clients and add those shades to your pro makeup kit. Another important tip that I recommend to makeup artists that I train is to always add a translucent powder to their kit. So translucent powder is important in every makeup artist kit because it can be used on all skin tones, and when used correctly, it doesn't leave any gray tones on the skin. Another thing to consider with eyeshadow is the formula. The formula of your eyeshadow can make or break how your eye makeup look turns out. Oh my gosh, guys, this is taking me back to my first eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, it was the crappiest, chunkiest palette. Oh my god, it was horrible. The colors of the palette never showed up whenever I applied them on the lid, and the texture was so chalky. It was just a mess of a palette. So please learn from me, learn from my mistakes. Texture is super important because when you have good eyeshadow pigment and texture, it's easier to create beautiful eye looks. Now let's talk about brow products for your makeup kit. Brow products come in different formulas. There's a brow pomade, brow powder, and then there's brow pencil. So the type of brow products and formula that you get for your pro makeup kit depends on how you draw on brows on your clients and how you like your clients' brows to look. A brow pomade is great if you're going for bold or heavy brows, and some of them are smudge and waterproof, so it could also be a good idea to use a brow pomade if you're working on a look that you want to be longer lasting. Eyebrow powders normally come in palettes, and they can be great for softer brows and achieving the look of natural fullness to the brows. And then there's the eyebrow pencil, which can be great for adding definition to your eyebrows, which can result to a softer eyebrow or heavier eyebrow depending on the look that you're going for. So there really isn't one brow product that is superior. It really just depends on your aesthetic as a makeup artist. Now moving on to brushes, I have a video telling and showing you the only 5 brushes you need in your pro makeup kit when you're just starting out. So I'll link the video somewhere on the screen and in the description box below. You really don't need to get a gazillion makeup brushes when you're just starting out with building your pro makeup kit. So be sure to watch that video so that you can be sure of what brushes you need right now to add to your pro makeup kit. Now enough of all that talk, let's get into the fun stuff, your free gifts. So having trained a number of makeup artists and once being a beginner makeup artist myself, I understand that when you're starting out as a makeup artist, you don't necessarily have a lot of money laying around for building your makeup kit. And if you just dive into building your makeup kit without any direction or knowing what you're doing, one of two things will happen. You either spend a ton of money buying a lot of makeup products and makeup tools that you don't even need for your kids, or you spend a lot of money buying a lot of crappy makeup tools and products that you can't even use on your clients. So either way, you're going to be wasting a lot of money that you could have invested in other areas of your makeup business. And that's why I created the guide titled Save Money While Building Your Pro Makeup Kit. If you're a makeup artist who would like to start building your pro makeup kit, but this was just too much information and you still have no clue where to start, this guide is perfect for you. So in this guide, I show and tell you the exact makeup products and tools that you can add to your kit so that you can start booking clients and making money right away. So it's a win-win. You build a functional pro makeup kit without having to break the bank. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave me a comment below. Feel free as well to share this video to other makeup artists who may need it. Thank you so much for spending time with me, and I'll see you real soon. Bye!